All right, let's graph some linear equations. We got ourselves an equation in the form y equals mx plus b. And when you have something that's degree 1 and y is already all by itself, the number in front of x is your slope. Now, negative 2 is the same as negative 2 over 1. That's going to be important in a second. First, though, we need to identify what the y-intercept is, and that's the number floating around all by itself when y is alone. So my y-intercept is negative 2, so we're going to put a dot at negative 2 like so on the y-axis. We're then going to use the slope of negative 2 over 1 to make as many dots as we can. Now, a negative slope goes down and to the right. So I can go up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. Or if I wanted to go, I could have gone down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Now that we are done, we can take a line and draw a line through the dots. And since I'm really bad at drawing lines with these guys, I'm just going to use the magic of the internet to do it for me. Will it give me arrowheads? Yeah, look at that. Oh, wow. Perfect. So we have ourselves a line with a slope of negative 2 and a y-intercept of negative 2. Fun stuff.